Vaheguru, student of 10th standard. Today's topic of your chapter number 4, entrepreneurial skills of subject computer. Topic is myths of an entrepreneurship, which is a belief, an idea. It considered to be a belief, traditions. So first is it's easy to start a business. See, in reality, starting a successful business is very difficult and challenging. Why very difficult and challenging? Because there are competitors also exist in the market. We have to start, entrepreneurs have to start up their new business. They do not know about the customer taste and preferences, so it's quite difficult process to start a business. The rate of failure that should be high. See, even after a period of 7 years, only 1/3 of the enterprises are profitable. Otherwise, when if you want to do a small scale business, it is quietly easy to start as comparative to large scale business. Second is lot of money is needed to start a new business. Lot of money is required to starting a new business. The entrepreneur have to invest their own funds, and they have to raise the funds from the other sources. A startup cannot borrow from the banks. See, under various schemes like Mudra, budding enterprises also can raise loans from the banks. Bank can charge rate of interest from that loan which is given to an entrepreneur to starting their business. Next point is talent is more important than industry. The nature of industry of an entrepreneur is a great effect on success and growth. If you enter an industry, if your materials are scarce, you may fail. Means to say that insufficient for the demand, you may fail. If you are producing goods but demand are not in the market, that means you may fail. So talent is more important than the industry. Next point, most startups are successful. A large percent of startups fail. The average profit of an owner managed firm is 20,000 per month. A very few enterprises earn more than the employees. So it may be considered it's considered to be an assumption that the most startups are very successful. It may, according to the percentage, it is quite not considering as successful. Next topic is entrepreneurship as a career option. What are the advantages if you choose a career option as become an entrepreneur, and what are the disadvantages? Let us discuss first what are the advantages. First one is independence. See, an entrepreneur is a creator. He will start the business, so he is considered in his own boss. He can take all the decisions that are required in the organization, major and minor decision that will be taken by him. Ambition fulfillment. He will convert their ideas to producing the new product and services. So some people want to convert their ideas into new product or services. Like example, it is given smartphone, electric vehicle, train, etc. Excitement. See, entrepreneurship involves adventure, creating something new. So some people design their well-paid job and launch their own venture due to their excitement, because they want to do something new. Freedom. It allows a freedom to an entrepreneur because entrepreneur in his own boss. And freedom seeking people choose entrepreneurship as a career. Wealth creation. Successful entrepreneur create wealth for himself, create wealth for their staff, and create wealth for the organization and for the economy of the country. Status success in entrepreneurship brings considerable fame and prestige. See, lot of successful entrepreneurs names are given: Narayan Murthy, Ratan Tata, Dhirubhai Ambani, Reliance Group, Ratan Tata, Tata Groups. These entrepreneurs are known all over the world. So these are the advantages of the entrepreneurship as a career. Next is disadvantages. What are the disadvantages of the entrepreneurship as a career? First one is risk. See, risk is not inseparable from the enterprise. Risk is considered to be an possibility or occurrence of loss. So failure in the entrepreneurship is quite greater. So it lead to be a debt burden, payment burden. So risk involves possibility of loss because newly enterprises or newly ventures, they cannot predict easily the customer taste and preferences. They cannot beat their competitors easily. Second is hard work. An entrepreneur has to do very work hard to make the new business successful. It's unpredictable. He has to work late hours. So there is a hard work required if anybody choose the entrepreneurship as a career. Uncertain income. In the entrepreneurship, there is no fixed and regular income because entrepreneur is considered to be in his own boss. He is not an employee of an organization. He hire employee into his organization. So his income is uncertain because his income is depend upon the selling of goods or depends upon the profit what he gained during the financial year. Next is problem of finance. Raising the necessary funds very difficult to arrange for the new venture or for the new entrepreneur. Because if they raised finance from the other sources like banks, financial institution, there is a or they will issue the debenture, there is a regular payment of interest, whether they will get profit, whether they will get loss. So it's quite difficult or problem for arranging the necessary funds. Incompetent staff. Last is incompetent staff. A new entrepreneur may not be able to hire an qualified and experienced staff. Who's having not necessary skills to do something successfully because he's having limited funds in that business. So it's quite difficult to hire expertise in the organization. So the administrative burden is heavy in the entrepreneur, and the fault decision, it may be harmful for whole the organization or whole the business.